Hello everybody, Bruce here with a quick video, and I apologize for my cold in advance. If I cough or do something again, I apologize. So what I wanted to show you as a follow-up to the creating records video was an issue that you'll possibly run into and how to deal with it. So I'm going to type in la Bruce, because that's my name. I'm going to type in my last name and the student ID 12345. That's it. And email, I'll type be@sharept.com. That's an old email address. And then I'll type in 360-450-1234, just like that. And again, notice Bruce here, and I'll click create record, and it says, I'm sorry, but I could not save that record for you. So we need to look up our friend here called MySQLi real escape string. And what that does, right, it says here MySQLi real escape string escapes special characters in a string for use in SQL statements, taking into account the current character set of the connection. Now, let me address that first. The current character set of the connection. And what I'm going to do here is go into the MySQLi include, and you'll notice on line 13 that we have set to UTF-8 the current character set for our connection to our database. So we did that, and if you don't do that, it's not going to work. So let me carry on here, and I'm going to read you caution, security, the default character set. The character set must be set either at the server level or with the API function MySQLi set char set. That's what I did in my code for it to affect the real escape string function. So down further here, it says here the right here, where are we? Sorry, escape string. The string to be escaped. Characters encoded are null, ASCII 0, /n, new line, right, /r, /quote, double quote, and control Z. So what's going to happen is the SQL couldn't, the PHP couldn't, didn't know how to deal with that quote in my name, right? Because when it went to go put it into the SQL, right, it had quote and then la and then quote again. So it failed, okay? So it failed. So you want to do this. Let me show you what you need to do. So the code, the way you see it right now on line, say, 39 or so right here, that's the way we had it. So I'm going to comment that, and I'm going to comment in this line that says $first equals $db, right, real escape string, and then $_post first, right? And that's going to escape out any special characters that I read from that list before, such that they'll be able to go into the database, okay? And I'm going to do the same thing here for these others. Okay, I'm just going to change these all out. I had tested this before I made the video to make sure it will be okay. And this one, and that one. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my page, and I'm going to just hit enter at the URL, and we'll do Bruce, last name Elgort, student ID, whatever, email BE, right? I'll do the Clark one, and there, and I'll hit create record. Success. So it worked. Okay. So let me just see. I'm going to add this on here. Control. I'm on the PC, and I'm on a virtualized PC, so I always forget the. Whoops, that screen print. Let me go here. Let me go more tools. Developer tools. Up there on the side here. Okay. So let's go to network. Okay, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to fill out this form again. I'm going to do Bruce, and then Elgort, and I'll do a different student ID, 0097, and I'll do that, and I'll hit create record. Okay, so what you can see here, if I go under, let me just find it. I need to, right here, create records.php, you can see the headers that was sent over. Okay, this is all the HTML protocol working its way through. And look at the bottom here, down here, you see it says form data. It says Bruce, Elgort, ID, email, and all that stuff. So that's a way, right? I click on the the URL that was invoked to talk back to the server, and I can actually see all of the HTTP conversational information, including the form data, being sent to the server. And response, right? If we go into response, it sent back to us the page, right, with the success message and stuff like that, right? See right here on line 24, success. So that's what responded back to us. In fact, that's what you're seeing on the screen here. All right, if you have any questions, catch me in Slack, and I hope this video helps you write better PHP code.